So Aron just tweeted some extremely good news, and I do believe AMC and GameStop are set up to go higher this week. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC stock every single day. So the volume has been insane on AMC this past week. You know, it jumping from $2.91 to $13 really got a lot of people's attention, and I do believe now a lot of people are looking at AMC stock as a buy, because if we zoom out, you know, it's been crashing ever since July of last year. And, you know, we're trading at all-time lows right now. All-time freaking lows. GameStop, on the other hand, is still up, you know, over 2,000% when you go all the way back. It's still up a decent amount overall. AMC is down, extremely down. In my opinion, not financial advice, I think AMC is a better buy right now. You know, AMC is extremely underrated. AMC just hit rock bottom at $2.38. And I do believe it could be another Carvana going from $3 to over $100 over time. Because, you know, we got a bunch of good movies coming up. It's just going to be positive news after positive news. And especially with the amount of interest in the stock right now, I do believe AMC could easily run up to $20 by the end of this month. It is very possible, and you know, it might not happen. It might go to $3. I don't know what the frick's gonna happen, but this is just my prediction. You know, this is just my analysis on AMC stock, but we'll just have to wait till tomorrow to find out exactly what happens. So let's get into what Aron said. He tweeted this in the morning today at 11 a.m. He said, "Our Billie Eilish listening event was a great success. We filled seats at almost 10 times the normal rate for a Thursday afternoon. Thank you, Billie, for sharing your great talent with your fans at AMC theaters. We wish you much success with your new album, Hit Me Hard and Soft." So, you know, another success here. Billie Eilish obviously is going to fill up the seats. You know, Billie Eilish gets over 70 million streams a month just off Spotify and has over 100 million followers on Instagram. These artists are just paving the way. They're bringing a bunch of big artists to start looking into doing this for their fans, you know, dropping in AMC theaters so they can actually have something to remember, you know, going and listening to an album, going and watching a concert movie, whatever it is. They are opening the doors, and AMC is there to answer all their problems for all these artists trying to release something crazy. This guy said, "Under banana spotted, bravo team, move into position." That's hilarious. So yeah, I mean, AMC stock, in my opinion, you know, it's time to load the frick up. If you haven't already, it's time to load the boat. That's what I'm thinking of AMC when I look at it. That's what Aron just said today, though. This guy said, "AMC chart analysis. Major resistance at $5.44, which will lead to a massive pivot to the upside. Over 544, we will gap up to 582. Over 582, we will see 920. Over 920 sees start of second gap above resistance to 1330. Then $29. Honestly, $29 would be so easy for AMC to get to. I know we are fighting the halts. We are fighting the market manipulation. They're trying to say it's a roaring kitty that's manipulating the markets, but it's all these evil rich bastards at the end of the day. And I think $29 is only $2.90 before the split. I think it's extremely possible. You know, they could only halt it so much. They could keep halting it. You know, when there's pressure, there's pressure. When there's buying. And I feel like with all of us apes put together, I think with all us retail investors, it is inevitable. You know, we just like the stock. And that's why I believe it is going to go higher. Fake squeeze before real squeeze, as prophecy predicted. You know, this is exactly what happened in 2021. We got a major gap up, then a nasty crash, and then it gapped up even higher. I think history does repeat itself. I think the same thing is going to happen again. Now that AMC, you know, pumped and then dumped, now a lot of people are like, okay, time to buy the dip. A lot more people than there was buying a month ago. A lot of people are now looking at the stocks once again. Roaring Kitty back. I mean, Andrew Tate freaking saying buy GameStop. I think it's freaking over, and I'm diamond handing my bag. That is all I gotta say. But that's gonna do it for this little video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC stock every single day, and only about 10% of you guys are actually subscribed. So make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Let me know what you thought about what Aron just tweeted. You know, it's good news, and there's 3 factors that cause a short squeeze. We need some extremely good news. We already got that. We need a gap up in share price. We already got that. And we need a huge amount of short interest. We freaking got that. Check everything off the list. We are set up for a short squeeze, in my personal opinion. Not financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold. But me, I already have my life savings dumped into AMC. I get paid on Thursday. If it dips, I'm buying the dip. You already freaking know. But I will be making a video in the morning before market opens, so stay tuned for that. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go. Come on.